1-2. Golf toward left. Cespedes moving over toward the line, makes the catch. Tagging is Urshela, coming home, and he will score. And it's a one-run game now at 3-2. Kipnis picks up his 28th RBI on the year.
Good job by Kip to get him in.
No such thing really as a guaranteed sac fly to left with Cespedes, because we've seen his arm. He can throw some people out.
He tried to throw him out there. Made a one-hop throw to the plate.
Carlos Santana will be the batter. Last time up, oh, yeah, he got all of it.